Assalamualaikum everyone! How are you? This is our brunch ng aking baby. Avocado. And lalagyan natin siya ng onion. Sibuyas na pula na masarap. Maganda to sa katawan. Lagyan natin ng kamatis, cherry tomato. Lagyan natin ng lagyan natin ng pepper. Tapos, salt, asin. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng itlog. Sarap. Isel tayo ng konting olive oil. Konti lang. Tapos, haluin na natin yan ng bongga. Yes! Ang aming brunch ng aking baby. Kasi nagkain na naman na yung mga anak ko. Sarap, di ba? Ayan, eto na yung... Ayan, ready na ang aming brunch. Eto ang kape. Eto ang Turkish bread. Ang avocado.
Hello.
Ayan.
Did I eat this for the second time?
Pwede lang natin siyang kainin ng ganito.
I would like to say thank you to my beloved wife for this wonderful breakfast or lunch. That's it.
Compliment from my husband. So he loved the brunch that I made. It's so healthy, so delicious.
Never ever worry or shy to give compliment to your beloved wife. Thank you.